Get ready for some scary high prices. Fast food and groceries. Alright YouTube, welcome into the BA Life-Adelic studio. We're going to be talking about high prices, groceries, fast food. Not looking good. So, got a little Walmart receipt here, granddaughter. Bought some regular groceries. There's a couple of expensive items on there. $132.36.
$132.36.
Yeah. Alright, we've got a government shutdown update coming in. Let's check it out. Government shutdown. Moose should have told you. Okay. Check out, look at this McDonald's receipt. Mrs. B.A. Life-Adelic and I, we had to go to Lexington for some appointments, and we got a breakfast at McDonald's. Check this out. Good gosh, look at this. A sausage burrito egg McMuffin, $7.40. Pretty sad looking. Yeah, pretty high. Okay, we've got another government shutdown update coming in. Check it out. Okay, not looking good on the government shutdown. So, here to tell you, watch out for your wallet. It's getting expensive out there. Here's another government shutdown update. Alright, still not looking good for the government shutdown. So, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching, and we're going to catch you on the next one.